Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how Dhabi Islamic Bank suspended how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue how Dhabi Islamic Bank suspended, you need to understand why ADIB suspends accounts. Most common reasons are expired Emirates ID, KYC not updated, inactive account, compliance or security review, negative balance or unpaid fees, suspicious or unusual transactions, incomplete account opening or documents, and ADB is required by UAE Central Bank rules to suspend accounts if documents aren't updated. So in order to fix a suspended ADIB account, what you can do first is check the app message. Simply head over, open up your ADIB app, and then simply try to log in. Then read the exact suspension message, and some message says account restricted or the documents and account temporarily suspended, and this states with the clause. So simply update your documents on your given branch and your problem should be fixed. If that doesn't work, then what you need to do is update your Emirates ID. If your Emirates ID is expired or renewed, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the ADIB application and then log into your account. And then once logged into your account, what you need to do is go to your profile or settings, simply tap on your profile on the top left corner of the screen, and then inside select the settings. Then select update Emirates ID, and then you'll be prompted to scan the front and the back of Emirates ID. Then once that's done, submit and wait for confirmation, and the problem is usually resolved within 24 to 72 hours. Next step is to complete KYC updates. If prompted for KYC, simply tap on the KYC option, then update your address, employment status, source of income, and this can often be done fully inside the app. If that doesn't work, the next step is to visit an ADIB branch. If the app fix fails, simply bring your original Emirates ID, password, and visa if applicable, and ask for account reactivation or KYC update. Many accounts are reactivated the same day. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.